In this video, I'm going to use Royal Botanic Garden to explain math language. Mathematical potential can be achieved from pedagogical contact use. This is why the young generation is encouraged to play on waterside, grass, or in mud puddles. As one of the STEM concepts, the math learning can be conceptualized from four ranges: space, measurement, number, as well as chance and data. In early childhood education context, space includes pattern, spatial sense, two dimensions or three dimensions shape, geometric relationships, direction, orientation, and perspective. Weight, capacity, volume, area, and time belong to measurement category. As for number, it contains number sense and counting. Children are expected to understand large numbers and write numerals at preschool age. The last range, chance and data, involves collecting, organizing, representing, and interpreting data, randomness, and probability. As a provocation, place renders the pattern and shapes visible in the relationship between children and nature. I entangle with animals and plants in Royal Botanic Garden right now, and math language can be defined from play-based perspective. Firstly, let's talk about how to engage play with teaching one of the core elements in math curriculum, pattern. I observe the weather pattern after positioning myself in the nature. For example, birds are more active to seek for warmth in the early morning, but most of them disappear at noon. And the grass is wet with early morning dew. Now we're in November. The Orion constellation is setting in the western sky around sunrise, and the day length starts to get longer than night. The repetition of this sequence that constitutes multi-species communities happens every day at Royal Botanic Garden. So in Lee's article in 2010, these routine activities can be defined as patterns. Secondly, as I'm surrounded by plants in various shapes, the situated engagement in this garden frames my understanding of space concept. The identified attributes, for example, shape, size, and length of different leaves can be compared and sorted. The number of petals can be counted, and this leaf is heavier than this one. In conclusion, math language can be found everywhere in Royal Botanic Garden.